come take a look at this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 84,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter turbo engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, navigation system, tow package and driver airbag. Call 801-763-0900 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.